So one of my grandsons wants me to teach him how to weld. He's pretty excited about it. So I decided I'd buy him an inexpensive helmet, and I found some with pretty good reviews off Amazon, auto darkening, and has a headlight on it so you can see better what you're doing. All sounded good, so I ordered this thing. I'm gonna flip it over here in just a second. So this is came in. You could not see really the graphics on the helmet. It just looked like there were blue and yellowish, orangish lightning bolts and maybe flames on it. Didn't show the top of the helmet at all in any of the pictures. So it comes in and ends up that I got a triple X rated helmet. That's what I ended up. So from Amazon, you see the picture looks about like this. So you can't really make out what's on the sides, right? Does look like there's a little heart on the front, but you know, that's all right. So the thing comes in. Here's what we got. We got a little bit of porn going on the side of the helmet. Who in their right mind, if you're gonna wear this in the workplace, is gonna wear this? I mean, that is absolutely insane. You can't make this crap up. And so then here's the top. Yeah, you want to get made fun of at work? Wear that. And then the other side is same, only kind of reversed of the thing. And say this is just you just cannot make this up, and this is just hilarious. So you know, my 13-year-old grandson's not going to get this helmet. I can tell you that much. So I got one of two choices: return it or paint it. And I could do either, I guess. So I went online and I looked, and I found one, the same helmet, got the headlight on it. I like that feature, especially for my grandson being able to see what he's doing. And I did peel this off and test it out, and I gotta say that the lens is very clear on it, and it seemed to work well with an arc. So I like that part. So I found one that has eagles on it, kind of flying down with their talons sticking out, and it looks pretty decent. So hopefully, you know, there isn't any surprises when I get that. If there is, I'll just go ahead, sand it down. The decals on these are clear coated in, so a person could easily 400 this and shoot it with and make it look the way you wanted it to. All right, I just wanted to share that with you. I just thought that's pretty hilarious. I can't imagine who would have thought up those graphics and thinking that they were okay for a welding helmet. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.